Parts are becoming more complex and delivery times are getting shorter. When you add the advancements of machine tools, it becomes crucial that shops streamline the manufacturing process. Being able to program parts faster and more accurately allows companies to focus on new jobs and not on manufacturing errors that cause delays. Just like you, Sam has many different parts come through his shop. He's able to spend more time bidding jobs and managing the business since he started using DELMIA Shop Floor Programmer. Let's take a look at some of the tools Sam uses to accelerate programming time and reduce manufacturing errors. Sam starts with the Setup Wizard. Shop Floor's Machining Wizard simplifies the task of setting up your working environment with a guided step-by-step workflow. The wizard speeds up setup time by defining machine, post-processors, stock, and tooling for any machine in your shop. Defining machining operations is fast, easy, and accurate in Shop Floor Programmer, utilizing automation tools like automatic hole feature recognition. Feature recognition will identify the diameter and depth of each hole on the part and assign the appropriate process. Setting machining areas and boundaries can be a timely task in most CAM systems. Automatic boundaries and process-specific controls help you fine-tune your programs for your specific machines without fear of gouging. Accuracy is paramount, so for the final surface machining, Sam takes advantage of advanced surface finishing to precisely machine the entire surface of the part. Shop Floor Programmer uses the actual surface geometry to calculate the surface paths. This eliminates surface faceting and costly handwork. Advanced surface finishing can also be used for complex 3D geometry, such as the webbing on the bottom of the part. You can also define the boundaries of all operations, like this time-intensive machining process, by using limiting contours. The selection tool makes it easy to define the area, using both existing geometry as well as automatically defined geometry. You can review the entire machining process at any time by running a full machine simulation. Here you can look for any potential problems and clearly see the different types of operations separated by specific colors. Toolpath simulation also shows leftover stock or intermediate stock, which makes cleanup fast and easy. The graphic representation of the toolpath laid over the part gives you a clear view of each operation and each movement of the tool. Once satisfied with his results, Sam just saves the NC code and sends it off to his machine. He knows the code is right because Shop Floor Programmer supplied him with proven post-processors specific to the machines in his shop. Once the job is running, Sam has constant visibility through the 3D Experience platform. He knows that having all of his data in one place helps his team communicate any changes that may come up. Find out how DELMIA Shop Floor Programmer empowers users to program any machine in their shop quickly, easily, and accurately, slashing design to production cycle time, resulting in more accurate parts and faster time to market. All of this is possible with the power of 3D Experience Works. How will you expand your horizons with 3D Experience Works manufacturing automation?